Hey everyone! Welcome to Kids Zone TV. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful and mysterious objects in our entire solar system, the Sun. It's the center of our universe and a constant in our lives. But how much do we really know about it? Well, in this video, I'm going to share 10 mind-blowing facts about the Sun that you probably didn't know. So, grab a cold drink, sit back, and let's shine some light on these incredible Sun facts. First up, did you know that the Sun isn't actually yellow? We perceive it as yellow or even orange during sunsets, but in reality, the Sun's true color is white. The Earth's atmosphere scatters sunlight, making it look yellow, especially when it's low on the horizon. But if you were to view the Sun from space, it would appear as a brilliant white ball. Next, let's talk temperature. While the Sun's surface is incredibly hot at around 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit 5,500 degrees Celsius, its core is an entirely different beast. The core can reach temperatures of over 27 million degree F, 15 million degrees C, making it way hotter than the surface. That heat is what powers the nuclear reactions that make the Sun shine. Ever wonder how the planets stay in their orbits? It's the Sun's massive gravitational pull. The Sun contains about 99.86% of the total mass of the entire solar system, which means its gravity keeps everything, from Mercury to Neptune, in their respective orbits. Without it, chaos would reign in our cosmic neighborhood. You might think the Sun has been around forever, but it's actually middle-aged. The Sun is about 4.6 billion years old and is expected to last another 5 billion years before it transitions into a red giant and eventually becomes a white dwarf. So, we're just living through its prime. Did you know that the sunlight we see today actually left the Sun about 8 minutes ago? It takes light that long to travel the 93 million miles, 150 million kilometers, from the Sun to Earth. So, in a way, we're always looking at the Sun as it was 8 minutes ago, not right now. Ever seen those dark spots on the Sun? They're called sunspots, and while they look like holes in the Sun's surface, they're actually just areas that are cooler than the surrounding plasma. Sunspots are about 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit 1,000 degrees Celsius cooler than the rest of the Sun's surface, and they come and go in cycles. Over time, the Sun is actually getting smaller, but don't worry, it's happening at an incredibly slow pace. Every year, the Sun loses about 4.1 million tons of mass, but it will take billions of years for it to shrink significantly. So, we're not in any danger of it shrinking out of existence anytime soon. The Sun has an extremely powerful magnetic field, and it's responsible for many phenomena we see, like solar flares and the beautiful auroras on Earth. The Sun's magnetic field is about 10,000 times stronger than Earth's, and it's constantly shifting and changing, causing what we call the solar cycle. While the Sun seems pretty stable now, its future holds a fiery transformation. In about 5 billion years, it will run out of fuel and swell into a red giant. It'll expand so much that it could possibly engulf the inner planets, including Earth. Don't worry, though, it's a long, long way off. Finally, while the Sun may seem huge to us, it's actually a fairly average-sized star in the grand scheme of things. There are stars out there that are much larger, some up to 1,000 times bigger. These stars are called supergiants, and they are truly mind-blowing in size, even though they don't last nearly as long as stars like the Sun. So, there you have it, 10 surprising facts about the Sun. Who knew there was so much more to our favorite star than just its light and heat? If you found these facts interesting, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more fascinating insights into our universe. Let me know in the comments, what fact about the Sun blew your mind the most? Thanks for watching, and as always, keep exploring.
I can walk, walk, oh, I can walk, I can bob, bob, yeah. I can bob, I can walk, walk, and I can bob, look at what I can do. Oh, I can jump, jump, oh, I can jump, I can turn, turn, yeah. I can turn, I can jump, jump, and I can turn, look at what I can do. Yes, I can swim, swim, till I stay afloat. I can paddle, paddle like I'm in a boat. I can climb